The 3 unit circles are tangent to each other, right? To figure out the area of the shaded region here, let's connect their centers. So we get something like that. We know the line passing through the 2 centers also passes through the tangent point. And the radius is 1. That means the size AB equals 2. Similarly, the size BC equals 2. And AC again equals 2. That means the triangle is an equilateral triangle. All angles are the same. 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree. That means the sector here and the sector here and the sector here are all congruent. They have the same area. So the area of the shaded region is equal to the area of the triangle ABC minus 3 times the area of one sector. So we denote that as A here. So I denote that as the area of the shaded region, denoted as this one, equals the area of triangle ABC minus 3 times the area of the sector AEF. Let's figure out the area of the triangle ABC first. We denote the tangent point here as D, and then connect A and D. Yeah, connect A and D. So you see AD must be perpendicular to BC, right? So in the right triangle ADC, the hypotenuse is 2, one leg is 1. So according to Pythagorean Theorem, we know AD equals square root of AC squared, which is 2 squared, minus DC squared, which is 1 squared, equals square root of 3. So the area of triangle ABC equals half times the base BC times height AD. So equals half. BC is 2. AD is square root of 3. So we get square root of 3. Now let's figure out the area of the sector A here. We know the angle is 60 degrees, but the measure of full circle will be 360. So the area of AEF is equal to 60 over 360 times the area of the circle A, right? So we can simplify this one to 1 over 6. So 1 over 6. And the area of the circle A is pi r squared, r is 1. So we get pi over 6. So the area of the shaded region, equals the area of the triangle ABC, which is square root of 3 minus 3 times the area of the sector A here, which is pi over 6. So we get square root of 3 minus pi over 2. That is the final answer. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.